Welcome to our channel. Clubhead speed directly determines your potential distance. These training methods help you generate more speed for longer shots. Step 1. Use a speed training system with progressively weighted clubs. Swing a light stick as fast as possible, then a standard club, then a heavy club. This overspeed and resistance training expands your speed range. Step 2. Focus on maximum effort swings during speed sessions. Research shows training at 95 to 100% effort produces gains. Swing aggressively without worrying about control or contact. Step 3. Improve your kinematic sequence for efficient energy transfer. Power starts from the ground up: feet, hips, torso, arms, club. Video analysis identifies sequence issues limiting your speed. Step 4. Develop rotational power through gym exercises. Medicine ball throws, cable rotations, and Olympic lift variations build golf-specific explosive strength. Step 5. Increase flexibility in key areas. Tight hips and shoulders restrict your turn, limiting speed potential. Daily stretching and mobility work create room for faster rotation. Step 6. Practice step drills that emphasize weight shift and dynamic movement. Starting with feet together, step toward your target aggressively while swinging promotes speed through momentum. Step 7. Train regularly but allow recovery. Speed training stresses your body. Perform intensive speed work 2 to 3 times weekly with rest days between. Step 8. Measure your progress with a launch monitor tracking Clubhead speed improvements over weeks and months. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.